Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Roland SH-4d Synthesiser. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely sharing with you my opinion of this product, the newest addition to my studio, so that you can make an informed buying decision. Now all of the music that you hear throughout this video is in fact direct from the Roland SH-4d. So what you're currently seeing is the box contents. So we've got the SH-4d itself, a really robust unit with this metal casing to it. It really does feel like a really top quality product. Now also inside the box we do get some QR code to scan to get you up and running nice and quickly. We get some warranty paperwork. We get some unit safety and important notes, and also a quick start guide. And then we also get a USB cable. This cable is USB-A on one end and USB-C on the other end. Now of note, you use the USB-C cable to power the unit. It's powered via USB-C. There is also a compartment on the bottom of the SH-4d which takes 4 AA batteries, so you can power this from batteries as well if you want to do some music creation whilst you're on the go. So let's take a look at the back panel, and in fact this back panel is metal as well. The metal casing wraps around the top, front and back of the machine. The sides and the bottom are plastic, but a very nice grade of material used. Now across the back panel we have got the power on off switch. We've also got the input for the 5V USB-C power. We've got MIDI in and out, and then we've also got an external in, a mix in. We've got left and right outputs as well, and also a headphone output. During this review, the audio that you're hearing I recorded out of the left mono into an audio recorder. And then last but not least, we've got a Kensington lock slot, so if you wanted to tether this down to a desk so it's a bit more secure, then you can use this slot here. So the unit is now powered on. We've got a nice little display in this top left hand corner. We've got lots of rotary dials for controlling the various components inside the synthesizer. We've also got some buttons here with shift, sound, exit and enter, and up, down, left and right. This is sort of your main navigation panel for the menu system and the features in the main display here. We've also got a start and a pattern select. So for example, we can select a pattern. Let's go with something like number 11, and then we can click start, and this is one of the built-in sequences. Now whilst you're playing back your sequences, you can also come over to here and control sort of what portion of the track is audible. So you can use these fader controls to fade in and out various components or layers to your track. It's absolutely superb, and I'm really finding this area really intuitive to use. We've also got filter controls, amp controls, LFO controls, an overall volume control, and an effects panel on this right hand side. And then down the bottom here we've got access to yet more content creation tools, octave and pitch controls, also arpeggio, and a demotion button as well. It's really well laid out, and even though some of the buttons do look quite small, they're very easy to use, nice and clicky, and they just really feel well made. It looks quite confusing on first look, and I must admit I'm not an expert on this, but I found this quite intuitive to use and certainly very easy to create some audio tracks. So overall, what do I think of the Roland SH-4d synthesizer? Well, I've certainly enjoyed my time with it and I find it really intuitive to use. I'm very, very impressed with what I can get out of this box of tricks. It sounds absolutely fantastic and that matches the really solid build quality. I think Roland have got a winner on their hands with this one and I can certainly recommend it.